everyone, and welcome to the channel. In the fast-evolving world of software development, keeping up with the pace of change is absolutely crucial.
Nowhere is that more true than in software testing.
We're constantly striving for more efficient, comprehensive, and intelligent ways to ensure software quality.
Today, we're diving deep into the most exciting trend revolutionizing our field: artificial intelligence in software testing. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming how we approach every stage of the testing lifecycle. From intelligent test planning and smart test data generation to self-healing automation scripts and enhanced defect analysis.
That's right. We're talking about building your very own domain-specific test case generator.
It isn't just a dream, it's an achievable reality. And here's the best part: you don't need to be an AI expert or a data scientist to get started.
The secret lies in leveraging readily available tools and powerful AI models.
Let's explore the easy paths to making this a reality. One powerful approach is to directly call large language models (LLMs) using their APIs. Another incredibly powerful avenue, especially for both automation and manual testers, is to integrate this intelligence directly into your workflow using VS Code.
Imagine building a custom VS Code extension, let's call it Test Case Generator, that lives right within your development environment. The extension, crucially, uses the VS Code language model LM API to send the requirement to Copilot. But here's the genius part: it doesn't just send the raw text.
It also provides rich contextual information from your workspace. Think historical test cases from your project, existing defect scenarios,
Or even relevant code snippets and changes from your Git repository. Copilot processes this comprehensive context. It generates highly relevant and comprehensive test cases, along with initial automation script suggestions.
These appear either in a dedicated side panel or are smartly inserted directly into your active file.
Tester highlights a generated test case. The extension, again leveraging the VS Code LM API and Copilot, refines that test case.
And then Copilot suggests alternative scenarios or provides more detailed automation script snippets for specific steps. This extension acts as your intelligent Copilot, not just for code, but specifically for testing.
By feeding it your requirements and a treasure trove of your organization's unique testing history, it can generate incredibly comprehensive and context-aware test cases.
And it doesn't stop there. It can even help you kickstart your automation scripts, suggesting exact code blocks based on the generated test cases.
You provide the deep domain expertise, the critical thinking, and the ultimate validation, while the AI handles the heavy lifting.
It's a huge lifting of generating initial idea plates and ensuring broad coverage based on your unique context.
Now, let's talk about taking this to the next level: the concept of Model Context Protocols, or MCPs, and the rise of agentic AI. If your organization fosters an environment of innovation and is ready to truly embrace AI, this is where transformative changes can happen. By building your own MCP servers, you can create a network of specialized AI agents, each designed to achieve specific goals within your testing ecosystem.
It's about establishing a robust protocol for how your AI models interact with your testing data and processes.
Analyzing requirements and historical data to suggest the most orchestrated test suites through your custom MCP.
So I encourage you, start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to innovate. Start building your AI-powered testing future today.
Remember, the journey of mastering new tech is continuous. Don't be afraid to experiment, connect with others, and your insights are invaluable.
Thank you for watching and for being a part of the Gem Agent for You community. Until next time, happy testing and keep innovating.